I'm Leslie and I'm going to be showing you tonight how to make a keyring. Oh, okay. And that's using beads and some of these little wires. Okay, so I don't know whether you can see, they've got a little end on them like that. Okay, and of course you're going to need a keyring. You're going to need some round nose pliers and maybe some wire cutters as well. Okay, so first of all we've got to choose our lovely beads. So I'm looking in here and I've got some pink ones, obviously, so I'm going to get some pink ones out. There's some nice blue ones as well in here as well, so we'll get a couple of the blue ones. And I've got some nice sparkly ones as well in here, which I might use as well. Okay, so we've got those. I'm going to just take out some very small ones because I'm going to put those at the end of my wires, because then that stops any bigger beads from falling off. So yeah, I've got my 3 there. Okay, so you take your little wire with the end on, yep, and you put the small bead first. Okay, so put a small bead on there, and then you can just choose whatever you like. So I'm going to put a sparkly one on, and maybe that one there. So I've just got a few on there. I'm going to now use my round nose pliers and I'm going to put it flush. Now, can you see? You can't feel it along the top, so it's right in line. And then I'm going to turn it. Okay, and keep turning it like that until it looks like that. Okay, and then I'm going to put my round nose pliers in again and just bend it backwards so that it looks like that. Yep, and then I'm going to open it a little bit. You don't have to, you can just thread it on if you'd like, just like a normal keyring. I'm going to pop it on, and then with the round nose pliers just close off. So the next bit, okay, is you get another one and you put on whatever you like. So I'm going to put a pink and a blue and maybe another light pink one here, if that will fit on. Sometimes they don't like to fit on, and this one hasn't. This one's broken, so we're not going to use that one because we don't want a broken one on there. So I'm going to put this one on instead. I might need, because as you can see this one's slightly bent, so I might just need to straighten that out a bit before I put this bead on. Yep, and that's gone on nicely. So again, it's still a little long here because you don't want too much at the top. Oh, I found a gold one. We'll put a gold one on. And because if you have too much at the top, then you have quite a bit of wire left over, and you don't want that. So there we go. I'm just going to close that up now. As you can see, I've got 2 on there now. I'm going to stop there at the 2. I've put 3 on this one, and they make nice little presents for Mother's Day, or you can have it as just a present for your friend, or you can use it as a key ring for yourself. You can choose whatever beads. You can make your own beads as well. So it's up to you what you decide to do. You can do it with conkers. Conkers would be a good one. Anyway, these are the key rings, and I hope you have fun having a go.